So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream 11 rules and regulations. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams between tomorrow's match between Delhi Capitals and Punjab Kings using our beautiful team generator software. So what we are going to do in this video is that first of all we need to analyze the data that we have, and based on that data we will generate the Grand League winning teams using our software. And so let's analyze the data. So according to the data that we have, the probable playing 11 from the Delhi Capital side will be Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Lalit Yadav, Chris Woakes, Kagiso Rabada, R. Ashwin, Enrich Norche, and sorry about the spelling, and Avesh Khan. And from the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Chris Gale, Deepak Hoda, Nicholas Poran, Shahrukh Khan, Jay Richardson, Murugan Ashwin, Chris Jordan, Mohammad Shami, and Arshdeep Singh. As far as the data we have concerned, these will be the probable playing 11, but these may change according to we cannot control that as well. And so let's analyze the top players from both the sides. From the Delhi Capital side, Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Chris Woakes, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, and Kagiso Rabada. And from the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Chris Gale, Nicholas Poran, and Mohammad Shami are the top players from both the sides. And according to in the point of view of our software, let's analyze the players that we can consider as a captain potential players for our fantasy teams. So for the Delhi Capitals, Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, and Rishabh Pant can be considered as a captain players, and as well as from the Punjab side, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, and Chris Lynn can be considered as a captain players. So let's, as well as the captain, let's analyze the vice captain players as well. From the Delhi Capital side, Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Chris Woakes, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, and Kagiso Rabada. And from the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, Chris Gale, Nicholas Poran, and Mohammad Shami are the vice captain potential players from Punjab Kings side. And so let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch. It is moreover a batting pitch. It will support a little bit more to the batting, and essentially the average score will be around 171. That means we can expect anything around 340 plus runs out of 40 overs. And let's come to the in the point of view of our software, let's analyze some specific points that will help us to win the Grand Leagues. So the specific points will be since the pitch is a balanced pitch, the ideal total team credits range will be 99 to 100. This is the ideal range, as well as the team combination. The team combination will be here. Delhi is little more stronger than Punjab Kings as far as I concerned, and so we will going to go with 7 players from Delhi and 4 players from Punjab Kings, as well as 6 players from Delhi and 5 players from Punjab Kings. And let's analyze important team combinations as well. So the working team combinations will be for the today's match will be 2-4-2-3. That means 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowlers, and also 2-3-2-4 and 2-3-3-3. So these are the combinations. These are the analyzed data that we have, and so based on this data, let's use our beautiful team generator software in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like, and those who don't know about this software is a advanced team generator software which it uses multiple techniques and algorithms in order to generate the most accurate teams. And this software supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream 11, My Team 11, My 11 Circle, and many others as well. And so let's click on cricket in order to generate the teams. First of all, we need to click on cricket, and those who want to know about this software, those who have interest on this software can contact me. I have already provided you the contact details in the description box below as well as the comment section below. So after that, click on generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy in which the match in which you are using, which you are using here. Dream 11 is what we are using, and continue. And after that, choose series here, and here we need to select IPL. After that, there are three sections here. The first two sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket and prediction skills, and those who don't have that many skills and cricket knowledge can go with these two sections. That means here they just need to give the players that are playing, and everything will be selected by the software. That means every player and captain, vice captain selection and team combination, team strategy, everything will be taken by the software. And for this and those who have good enough knowledge on cricket and prediction skills, and I highly recommend the third section because it is even more powerful than both the above two. So let me quickly use this advanced generation section, and after that we need to select the teams in which the match is in between. Here the match is in between Punjab Kings versus Delhi Capitals. After that we need to click on continue, and we need to give match number, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams are stored within your device. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop as well. So let me give any match number. Let me give 130 as the match number. So you can give any number. So after that we need to click on continue, and we need to select the at least 6 players from each side. That means we can select at most 11 from each side, and at least 6 is important. So let me quickly select the players that I have given in the slides. So let me quickly select them. So these are the players. Let me quickly select all the players. So one other player, where is, let me quickly select them. Okay, and after that from the Delhi Capital side, Rishabh Pant. Let me quickly select all the players. So these are the players from the Delhi Capital side. After that we need to click on continue, and we need to select the fixed players. That means you can leave this section as well, there is no problem at all. And that means whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in every generated team. That's why we need to be little more careful while fixing them. I feel KL Rahul and Mohammad Shami can be will play definitely on tomorrow, and as well as will definitely perform very well on tomorrow, and as well as Prithvi Shah and Kagiso Rabada will also perform very well. That's why I'm fixing all these players. You can leave this section as well, that is completely up to you. And after that continue, and let me consider some players as captain. So I have already given you some players that you can consider as captain, but choice is yours. Let me quickly select the players I feel they are capable of becoming captain in my team. So let me select them. So after that click on continue, and we need to, as well as the captain, let's select the vice captains as well. So from the Delhi Capital side, so these are the players from the Delhi Capital side that we can consider as vice captain. So so after that we need to click on continue, and I have already given you on the slides as well that we are going little bit favorable to Delhi Capital. So Delhi Capital is team 2. That means we are going to select 7 players from Delhi and 6 players from Delhi Capitals. After that continue, and we need to give the credit range. Here I am giving 99 to 100 is what I have already given in the slides. So let me quickly continue, and we need to select the players strategies, the important strategies I have already given you in the slides as well. 2-3-3-3 and 2-3-2-4 and 2-4-2-3. These are the 3 strategies that we are going to go for today. After that we need to click on continue, and it is asking us to enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can give any number of teams, but 1 to 3,333 is the range, but 11 teams are completely enough, and will definitely help you to crack the Grand League. So 11 teams is what we are going to generate. After that generate teams, you can see all these teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are highly accurate and will definitely help you to crack the Grand Leagues. And those who want the software, I have already provided you the contact details. You can check it out, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video, and if you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. There will be no problem at all. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hot.